Hello guys, how to fix slow Wi-Fi network on your iPhone? If you are also facing slow Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings, go to your Wi-Fi and tap on your Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down and disable low data mode first. Thereafter scroll down and go to DNS settings, choose manual and add server and use Google DNS server 8.8.8.8. Again tap on add server and choose 8.8.4.4. This is Google DNS server. Add this Google DNS server and press save. It will definitely increase your Wi-Fi connection power, and tap on airplane mode and wait for some times and re-enable, turn off again airplane mode. Next one is again go to Safari and tap on fast.com to check your internet speed. It will definitely increase. Fast.com is used to check your network bandwidth and speed. To fix slow Wi-Fi network connection, again tap on settings, scroll down, go to battery and disable low power mode, and the next one is tap on settings again, scroll down and go to general. From the bottom, transfer or reset iPhone and choose reset and reset network settings. Tap on it and it will reset your network settings and increase and boost your Wi-Fi